Hello and welcome to Plus Bug. Today I'm going to be talking about Epimedium, and I'm going to be suggesting doing something quite drastic to them. If you're not familiar with Epimedium, well, they're a plant that I recommend every garden to have. They have small star-like flowers that appear like little jewels at the start of spring. And they are great in shady parts of the garden where other plants might struggle. I have two in my garden here at Plasbat. This one here is called Orangekonigin. And I have another one called Sulphureum. Epimedium don't really like full sunshine. Now, these ones here might look like they're getting the full blast of the sun's rays, but it's just now in spring. Later on, the perennials surrounding here will grow a lot bigger and create the kind of shade that these plants enjoy. At this time of year, when the soil is pretty bare, these little mounds of green are a welcome addition to the garden. They've survived all winter long, and apart from the odd brown bit around the edges, they're looking good. So it might come as a surprise to hear my next bit of advice, which is to cut them all back. It might seem a bit drastic, but bear with me. The flowers of Epimedium can get a bit lost in this dense foliage, but by cutting it back now, you're allowing the flowers to be seen, together with the first flush of leaves in the spring. You want to cut it back when you start to see new growth appearing at the base of the plant. Cut the leaves as far down as you can, but being ever so careful not to remove the new buds. It might look a bit drastic, but in a few weeks you'll be really glad you did this. Let's fast forward a bit. It's a few weeks later and the Epimediums are flowering. Not only that, but they've sent up all this lovely fresh foliage, which is looking really great. Well, this one here has lots of fresh green leaves. The other one that I cut back is just showing its flowers. If you haven't cut back your Epimedium, it's not too late. Just find the old leaves and trace the stalk down to the base and cut it off as far down as you can go, being really careful not to cut away the fresh growth and especially not the flowers. You don't want to lose them. I hope this video has been useful and it will help you to get the most out of your Epimediums. If you're not growing them already, definitely get to the garden centre and buy some. They're a lovely plant. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.